Hello there, I'm Ben Wade, and in this UnleashU tutorial, you are going to learn how to set up web hosting with Hostgator. We're going to cover setting up your account, picking which features you will need depending on the type of website you're setting up, and how to keep from overspending on unnecessary features. But before we get started, here's a couple things to keep in mind. This tutorial is to give you the basic idea of the process, but Hostgator changes their screen layout and screen order from time to time. If you get stuck during any part of the process, you can reach out to their customer service and they will help you. However, it doesn't hurt to stay familiar so you can do this stuff yourself instead of wasting time waiting for them to do it. Alright, now let's dive into how to set up web hosting with Hostgator. So the first thing you need to do is click the link on our page to go to Hostgator, and you'll find the link below this video on our website. As often as we can, we score discounts and bonuses, so be sure to check our site for links, discount codes, and bonus programs so you don't end up paying full price or missing out on anything extra. The link for our page will be in the video description if you're not watching this video on UnleashU.com. So once you click that link, you'll end up here on the home page, and the first thing I need to point out is probably one of their most important features, and that is their support. You notice you got the link to the chat box right up here. These guys are available 24/7, and they have saved me from myself more often than I can count. Most of the stuff I've learned about putting together a site in the background has come from talking to these guys. Now, as far as actual hosting packages go, we're going to be talking more about their cloud hosting. But if you want a little bit more watered down version as far as controls in the background, they do have this WordPress hosting. It's a little bit better for beginners, just if you don't want to have a whole lot of things you can touch and break. But myself personally, I like to set up things here in their cloud hosting platforms. Now, as far as the differences between these accounts go, you have a hatchling plan, which is a single domain. You can only set up one domain. Or the baby cloud, which is unlimited domains. Now, it's up to you as far as which one is better for you at this time. You can always upgrade from hatchling to baby cloud later if you need to. Now, we're going to walk through the process with the baby cloud, so go ahead and click buy now. Now, I typically don't recommend registering a domain with these guys, and we do have tutorials that walk you through how to set up domain names with other companies, so look for those on our site. So go ahead and click I already own this domain, then put in your domain name here. And then once that populates, go ahead and scroll down. Now, as far as their package type goes, they're starting you off buying 36 months up front, which is a good discount if you want to go that way. If not, you can choose month to month just by selecting this. And you'll need to set up a security pin here. As far as your information here goes, it's pretty much standard fare information for setting up any account. And the features down here are not bad to look through. As far as your professional email goes, I don't ever use this because you can set up your regular email through the background of the hosting account, and we'll show you how to do that later. As far as backups go, this is not a bad option to look at, but there are other ways to go about it just depending on how you want to back up your site. As far as anything else goes, I really don't use any of the other features. Now, as far as this coupon code area goes, this is where you really want to pay attention to our website. We set up discount codes with these guys, and you'll want to look through which ones are best for your situation and use that here. That way you save some money. Then once you get down here, you'll need to check this box, and it'll let you check out now. Now, we're not going to actually finish the purchase process because we're not setting up a hosting account today, but the rest of the screens are pretty much straightforward. The big thing you'll want to watch for is a welcome email that you get from these guys once your account is set up. It has the information about your name server location, and that's which server your hosting account is actually set up on. And you'll need that information to connect with your domain name, and we have tutorials coming up that'll show you how to do all that. But as far as setting this up goes, once you click checkout now, your hosting is set up, and congratulations, you're ready to start getting your site set up. Alright, in the rest of the tutorials coming up, you will learn how to actually build a website a few different ways. The first series is going to cover how to do that with WordPress. Another series will be behind the scenes tutorials on how we created these videos. We'll cover how we built UnleashU.com, which is where we organize all our tutorials so they're easier for you to navigate. Lots of great stuff coming up, and you don't want to miss any of it. So be sure to click that like button on our Facebook page. Be sure to click that subscribe button on our YouTube channel. Basically follow us wherever you find us so you never miss a thing. Also like, favorite, comment on, and share this video so other people have an easier time finding it. Alright, thanks for watching and keep an eye out for more tutorials coming up.